wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya. Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself to you. My full name is Vindy Adinda Putri. I'm from SMA Negeri 1 Kandangan, Kediri. Today, I would like to tell you about tourism object in my country, and the name is Surowono Temple. Surowono Temple is a Hindu temple from Majapahit Kingdom era made of andesite stone, which is not only the foot of the temple with a size 8 meters times 8 meters. Surowono Temple is small in size but with beautiful reliefs. Surowono Temple is located in Surowono Hamlet, Canggu village, Barca district, Kediri Regency. Surowono Temple is estimated to have been built in 1319 and is estimated to have been completed in 1400. The current condition of Surowono Temple only leaves the foot of the temple as high as 3 meters, while the body and roof of the temple have been destroyed. It is not known exactly when this temple has discovered, but the neatly organized conditions of Surowono Temple show that Surowono Temple has undergone several restorations, in which Surowono Temple was first restored in 1908 by scientists D.M.P. and Ginevra. From the staircase, it can be estimated that Surowono Temple was raised. Surowono Temple has reliefs showing daily life and animal or plant reliefs. In addition, there are reliefs containing stories about Arjuna Waka or Mindahaga, as well as Bubuksha and Sitanjung. Can be aware and willing to protect cultural heritage so that it can be well looked after, so that our children and grandchildren can also enjoy it. And don't forget friends, if you are in Kediri, let's visit in Surowono Temple. Thank you, see you!
Framelens audio-visual.